Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about the inverse function. So now I want to show you how to answer. If we want to find this one, we have the formula in here. So we know that the inverse function of number 4. So let's say if I put about s equals to number 1 into this one, and we got number 4, that means the inverse function of this one in here, that is about number 1. So that means if we put number 4 in here, so this one that should be about number 1. And now we need to find first the derivative of this one. That should be like this. This is about the formula in here. So we put number 1 go in this one. And we have 1/14. This is the end. Thank you for watching.